Hello, grade 2. Today we'll revise some of our spelling words that will be coming on our reading quiz on Sunday. Okay? So last week and this week we've been revising the academic vocabulary. The academic vocabularies are the first 5 vocabulary words that we took last week. The first word here is affect. Affect means that when you have an effect on something, it can cause a change or to you. Like for example, when I asked you this week, do you think changing your neighborhood will affect the people that live there? And some of you said yes, right? So affect, when something has an effect on something, it causes changes in certain way. Like for example, if now the weather is starting to change because the weather is changing from summer to fall. So do you think the change in weather will have an effect on us? Yes. It will cause us to change the way we dress and how, like for example, if now that the weather is getting colder, we start to wear a little clothes that are a little bit heavier. All right. The second word is different. Different means not the same or not alike. Okay, and we also in our book we compared we compared between 2 different places, and we said the differences between them. Okay, like here we have 2 pictures. We have a picture of the beach and we have a picture of a park, and we said they are not the same. And we spoke about the things that were different between the 2 places. Okay, the third word is to compare. To compare, when you compare between 2 things or 2 people, you tell or say how they are the same and how they are different. Alright, so when you compare between 2 people or things, you tell how the 2 people or the 2 things are alike, which means how they are the same, and how they are different. Location. Location means the place or the position of a place. Okay. Region. Region is a big part of a place. Like I used the United States as an example. I said the United States of America is a very big country, so it's divided into regions according to its location. Right? So those are the 5 academic vocabulary. Next, this week we also have new preview vocabulary words. The first word is joy. Joy means to feel happy. Okay? And we said the kids' faces were full of joy. We also talked about the things that bring us joy. Some of you said your favorite toy, gifts. These are the things that bring you joy or make you happy. So joy is like another word for happiness. Shadows. Shadows are shaded places away from light. Okay? So we said that when shadows are made when the light like reflects or hits a wall or the ground, you can like for example, these are 2 shadows of 2 kids. We can see our shadows on the ground. And we also said that we can make shadows on the smartboard. Okay, the word scurry means to move quickly. We said here the geese scurry away to the pond. That means they moved very quickly to go to the pond. And here you also gave me a sentence that said the chipmunk or the squirrel scurries up the tree. That means it ran quickly or moved quickly up the tree. Meeting. We said the word meeting is when a group of people gather to do something together or to discuss or talk about something. Okay, we can say that my friends and I had a meeting at the club. Our team had a meeting with the coach to plan how we would play the match. And I said sometimes I have a meeting. The teachers have a meeting with Mr. Osama or Ms. Ghada. Okay. Also, in the story that we read about Lewis wanted his neighbors to help out, so he held a meeting at his apartment and told them about his idea. Next, the word fluttering. Fluttering means to flap quickly. Remember, we said flap means to move the wings up and down. So fluttering means to flap your wings fast and quickly, such as butterflies and birds. Okay? And the sentence that we used was, the butterflies are fluttering their wings. Okay, guys? These are the vocabulary words that we revised this week and last week. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.